Name.
Do you believe telling a lie?
Do you believe? What's the mistake?
Telling a lie.
Very good. Do you believe in telling a lie? Do you believe in speaking the truth? Do you believe in playing cards? Playing cards, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you believe in?
Do
Yeah.
you believe in Sunnah Holy Prophet?
Yes, I do. Very good.
Do you believe
Do you believe? Do you believe in thefts? In thefts. चोरी में ईमान रखते हैं आप? No, I don't. ये लेकिन ये ईमान है कि चोरी होनी है नहीं. The existence I can't deny now. But firstly I don't believe it.
Do you believe in other?
Absolutely beautiful. Do you believe in observing fast? Do you believe in offering salah? Do you believe in paying zakat? Do you believe in performing hajj? Do you believe in making ablution? Excellent. Excellent. Khalid, I love you.
Yes.
I love you.
Yes.
मैं ना कौन सी करना है? सच्ची जाग हो जी आई हूँ तो
I do.
मैं कितनी खुशी में चढ़ा दूसरी साड़ी है मैं भी जागी आनी ये hey come on don't waste time
Do you believe in the birth of Christ?
very good yes I believe his birth was miraculous hey come on
Do you believe in creation of Allah?
but do you believe in
Do you believe in creation of Allah?
yes gentlemen come on this up let's see next is
Do you believe in sympathy?
just call him and he knows what's not doing unless you can call him and take it away. Okay, next is do you believe in?
Sympathy.
Sympathy. Yes, I believe. Yes, I do. Very good. The chair should be proper. I don't like it. Listen. Okay. Where are we? You are questioning a Muslim.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, next please.
Do you believe in leading temple life?
Very good. Do you believe in?
Leading.
Very good. Do you believe in leading a simple life? Yes, I do. Very good.
Do you
Ji.
believe in teaching of Islam?
Very good. Do you believe in the teachings of Islam? Very good. I do. Ji.
Do you believe the hypocrisy?
Do you believe in? Oh no. See, two words are there. Do you believe in hypocrisy? Hypocrisy. Munafiqat. Do you believe in hypocrisy? No, I don't. Again, do you believe in hypocrites? Hypocrites. إذا جاءك المنافقون قالوا نشهد إنك لرسول الله. Yes.
Do you believe in war of terrorism?
Very good. Do you believe in terrorism? Simple. No, I don't. Yes. Finish.
Do you believe in Quran and Sunnah?
Very good. Very good. Yes, I do. Yes.
Do you believe your teachers?
Do you believe?
Your teachers study?
Do you believe in? Do you believe in your teacher's talks, in your teacher's instructions, in your teacher's pieces of advice? Clear? In your teacher's teachings. Correct? Ji.
Do you believe in hadith?
Do you believe in?
Hadith.
What's that? It's hadith. Hadith.
Hadith.
What do you believe in? Hadith. One we're talking about. Or ahadith. Hadith or ahadith. What's that? Do you believe in the sayings of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Yes, I do.
Do you believe in performing hajj?
Excellent. Excellent. Do you believe in performing hajj? Yes, I do.
Do you believe in offer prayer 5 times a day?
What mistake is there? Do you believe in very good. Do you believe in offering prayers 5 times a day? How? In congregation. Very good.
Do you believe in English translation of Holy Quran?
Yes, I do. No, you can see. It's English translation. I believe in. Jane, next please.
Do you believe in break observe?
Do you believe in?
Break observe?
In, no, observing fast. You talking about that?
Yes.
Observing fast.
Yes.
Very good. Breaking fast. What do you want to say? And that's observe fast. Do you believe in observing fast, especially in the month of Ramadan? That's obligatory on every Muslim. Yeah, you listen, huh? فَمَنْ شَهَدَ مِنْكُمُ الشَّهْرَ فَلْيَصُمْهُ. It's obligatory. Every Muslim who has the month of Ramadan in his life, to observe in this month is obligatory. Fard. Compulsory. Clear? Clear?
Do you?
Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
You are tired?
No.
You are tired?
No.
You are fresh?
Yes, we are.
You are with me?
Yes, we are.
You are Muslims?
Yes, we are.
You are not Muslims?
No, we are.
Thank you very much. Let me your question. See, a Muslim is standing in front of you and you have to ask different questions.
Do you
Okay.
believe in offering your
Do you all very good? Do you believe in offering tahajjud? No, yes I do. Ji.
Do you believe in listening to the Holy Quran and
Excellent.
prayer
Excellent.
prayer?
Excellent. Yes I do. Excellent. Now I am changing this word believe. Now it's open talk. You can ask any question. No, but the format is do you respect others? Do you respect non-Muslims? So and so. There are different words. Open session. No. Ji.
Do you fight with non-Muslims?
Do you fight with the non-Muslims? No, I don't fight with the non-Muslims, but in my defense, I believe to fight with them. Clear? In defense. Ji.
Do you pay zakat?
Do you pay zakah? Excellent. Do you pay zakah? Yes, I do. Ji.
Perform
Do you
hajj.
believe in
It doesn't mean that Rafi Mujahid. I doesn't mean Rafi Mujahid. I stands for a Muslim.
Yes.
It's not Rafi Mujahid standing in front of you. Who's it?
It's Muslim.
It's a Muslim standing in front of you. Ji.
Do you believe in controversy arises with your friends?
Excellent. Do you believe in controversies arises now with your friends? Controversies. I don't believe that there should be no controversies. No. Ji.
Do you believe in neat and clean?
Do you believe in
Neat and clean.
what? Neat and clean what? No, say again, in neatness, in cleanliness, in tidiness, in purity. Clear?
Do you
Do you believe in purity? Yes, I believe. Do you believe in tidiness? Yes, I
Do you
believe.
like to listen to speak?
Wait, you want to say something?
Do you sleep at night without taking a pee?